YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's to all of you out there. I'm super excited about today. Today, I'm going on a mystery date. Ooh, who's my mystery guy, you ask? I won't tell. You have to wait and see. Okay, so when I get with him, I'm gonna get back on the camera and we gonna have a good day. You don't mind my makeup, cause that shit is hell. Wow. It's okay though, I'm finna fix it. But yeah, y'all want to see what I got on for right now, because you know my outfit might change. I have this cropped little thing on, and I have a jumpsuit on. Yeah, blah 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 blah. And I got my new Vapor Max on that I got for Christmas, but I have some other shoe options, but I don't know what I want to wear. Maybe y'all can help me. Let me go up here. All right. So I also have these. I was gonna wear these. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. These are my first pair of Jordans. I don't know how to wear them, and now I'm trying to wear them, and I don't know what I'm doing. So I was gonna wear these, or it was some white Vapor Max. Let me go find them. Oh, they already packed them. So no, you're not gonna see them. But okay, I'm going on my mystery date. All right, y'all. I gotta fix my under eye. I can't go on no date looking like that, y'all. Y'all was just gonna let me go out the door with that white like that. Look how that's white. So we're gonna get up under here with some, what's this? The Max Studio Fix. What color is it? Ooh, look at that. Ridiculous. Alright. Anyway. Let's get going with this right here. We're just gonna put some of that up under there. How they look? How they look? That look a little better. Girl, that still white. What the hell? Maybe it's just this camera. It's still white.
No, it's the camera. Like it doesn't. It looks like it's your skin tone.
Oh well, let me try again on this side. Oh, who over there talking? That's Tatiara Johnson.
Hey y'all.
Ow, shit. That's so funny. Alright. Wow, my hair's really looking really good today. I feel like a bad bee. Y'all think I should change my shoes? I really think I should. But what we're doing is really sporty. But I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm doing yet until we get there. And yeah, I'm gonna pull these curls out, but don't judge me right now. We're getting dressed. Let me hit this on the eye a little bit more, because this is ridiculous. Okay, Tati, how did it look now?
That looks good though.
Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, yeah, that looks so much better, y'all. And I tried a new foundation. What foundation was it, girl? It's okay. So what had happened was I was already using Sasha. I'm recording. So I was already using. What was I using, girl?
Too Faced.
I was using the Too Faced, but I think I was using Mocha. Baby, too light. Too light. I'm not that color. I'm not that color. So now I have the Butter Pecan on, and I really like this foundation because it look like skin. It look like my skin. I need to get some on my lips though. Okay, but anyway. Back to my makeup. And then okay, first of all, I tried a bunch of samples from Sephora because I'm tired of buying foundation, getting home, and it's still not the same color. Okay, so I went ahead and tried the Too Faced foundation. It was Butter Pecan. And then I got the Huda Beauty. I ain't never tried none of that like that before. Huda Beauty, I just heard it on YouTube. I don't know nothing about that. But I tried the Huda Beauty concealer, and then everything else I just, girl, I got a dollar store, a lot of on, and I know y'all see it. Y'all see that? But y'all can't tell me I'm not cute right now. That's what y'all can't say. Let me sit back on. Oh, now. Alright, well, I'll get back on this camera when I get with my lovely date for Sasha, god dang it! Shut up! Sorry. I couldn't even control myself. You want to bark on it? Come here. You want to get on the camera? Come here. Come on. She just don't know how to act. She wants some attention. She got her shirt on, y'all. Hello, love. She's so cute. Look at her. She went to the doctor today. Her skin was a little too red. That's probably why she agitated. Okay, now she's trying to get to the makeup. Okay, so it looks like I won. I beat my Miss 3 date. Look at me, NASCAR driver with my NASCAR driver outfit. I'm a NASCAR driver. All right, guys. Oh, look at my teeth. We're about to get ready to do laser tag. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win this as well. Cause you know, I'm just that bitch. Oh, my is glowing. Ooh, that's my glue right there. Look, y'all. Oh my God. That is got to be glue spray. It's okay though. Oops. Look at my main squeeze feet. Clearly we have a cheater here. I don't know where he went, but I gotta find him. Ah! He's right there. I'm getting him. I'm getting him, y'all. All right. He got me. I lied. He cheating. He's standing right down there. I see him. He really getting me. First of all, we're the only 2 people playing, so. And it's too big in here. All right, y'all can't see my face, but now we're playing mini golf. Okay, so our night is almost coming to an end. We're actually leaving track 21, that's where we are. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car because it's copyrighted. A great amazing time at track 21. Yeah. Ooh. How am I singing? That was good. Okay. So now we're about to go get us something to eat. Hopefully. And then I really don't know. Just see where the night takes us. I'm having a good time tonight though. My date is doing such a good job. I'm so proud of him. He picked an amazing, that was so fun, y'all. I'm having a good time. All right, y'all, so last night, after we left track 21, we went to go get something to eat, and then we kind of just chilled. But now, it's a new day, and we had brunch this morning, we went to Snooze, and now we're at a park, and we just chilling. Y'all want to see the mystery man, though? Y'all ready? Y'all want to see him? Y'all want to know who he is? You think they ready?